In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a version or release in Jira software. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate through the steps with ease. First, let's head over to your Jira dashboard. This is the main hub where you can see all your projects. Locate the project you want to create a release for and select it. This choice will anchor where your new release is being managed, so make sure it's the correct one. Next, once you're inside the project, glance towards the top of the interface. You'll notice a tab labeled Releases. Go ahead and click on that. It's the gateway to managing versions and releases within your project. Once you're in, look for the button labeled Create Version or Create Release depending on your Jira version. This button is your cue to initiate the process. Upon clicking, a form will appear prompting you to enter the release details. This form is vital as it captures all the information that defines your release. You'll first want to give your release a clear and descriptive name, something that everyone on your team will instantly understand, like 1.0 or beta release. Now let's talk dates. It's crucial to enter a start date that reflects when you plan to begin work on this release. Following this, you'll also need to input the planned release date, the day you expect the release to go live. These dates help in planning and tracking progress as the team works towards delivery. The next field is for a description. Think of this as a place to share what the release encompasses. Outline any major features or fixes that are expected, since clarity here helps align your team and stakeholders. Your Jira setup might offer additional options. One of these could be assigning a driver. This is the person responsible for coordinating the release, ensuring everything is on track. Assign someone who is detail-oriented and communicative. Another option you might see is for release notes. This is your chance to create documentation that captures the changes involved in the release. It often serves as a record for what users and internal teams should expect from the update. Once you feel confident that all the necessary details have been provided, it's time to finalize things. At this point, simply click Save or Create, and you'll have successfully added a new version or release to your project in Jira. This concludes our tutorial on adding a version or release in Jira software. Remember, each step you take here not only helps in smooth project execution, but also ensures everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.